Hey amazing creators! Are you bored with the same style of videos? Give your video a retro look with Filmora. Transform the modern look to a retro look with amazing effects by Filmora. Want to learn how to transform video to a retro look? Keep watching. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's jump into Filmora. First, drag your clips onto the timeline and let the magic begin. Head over to the color settings and dive into some exciting adjustments. Start by dialing down the vibrance for a more moody look. Then reduce the saturation to give it that edgy vibe. Now, let's make it pop. Under the light settings, crank up the contrast a notch to add depth, then boost the whites for that stunning brightness and finish off by pulling back the blacks. Head over to the Effects tab and in the search bar, type Retro TV Texture. Watch the magic happen as you apply it to your footage. Head over to the new blue effects and dive into the Essentials. Scroll down and apply the amazing Legal Level effect. It will help in fine-tuning your white and black limits with precision. Expand the detection settings and crank that black limit down to a stunning 0.09. Then, let's take it up a notch. Expand the correction section and set the white level to an impressive 95 while adjusting the black level to a sleek 10. Under the Essentials menu, scroll down and apply the Video Tune-Up Plus effect. This effect helps correct contrast, saturation, and hue at an advanced level. Set the contrast to 1.16, the contrast center to -22, the brightness to 2, the saturation to -14, and the hue to -3.5. In the new Blue Effects Filters folder, apply the Dream Glow effect. Set the blur to 38 and the glow to 41. If you wish to add variation to your footage, consider changing the glow color. Then, apply the Soft Focus effect for a slight blur, set the blur to 3 and the mix to 93. In the next step, apply the diffusion effect. Then go to the settings and adjust the following. Set the blur to 15, glow to 22, ambience to 11, and dim to 23. Next, navigate to the Video Effects folder and type VHS Distortion in the search bar. Apply this effect to track 2, and then change the opacity to 54 in the settings. After that, search for Light Leak 1 and apply it to track 2. Then, look for Retro Noise Overlay 6 and apply that to track 5. Additionally, you can add the Glitch Distortion, Glitch Effect, and VCR Distortion effects to further distort your footage, but keep the distortions limited to 10 to 15 frames only. Now, let's render the footage and see the preview. Download Filmora 14 from the link in the description and give a retro look to your footage. Also, don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section. If you found this helpful, give us a big thumbs up and share it with fellow creators and editors. If you're interested in visual effects and tutorials, check out filmora.wondershare.com. See you in the next video.